Brats, we have got something totally in a different realm today. We have got a Thermaltake mini PC case, aka this Micro S100 TG. This you can get on Amazon. It's 60 bucks. We're gonna be opening this up, checking it out, hopefully swapping all the internals from the PC over to this. We're not gonna be building a new PC yet. That's coming later this year. But for now, we're putting it in here to make it prettier, make it take up a little less desk space, and just for the experience of doing it, because I need to prepare to actually build one myself. Let's check this thing out. So as always, you gotta be extremely careful when you're unboxing something, especially something this big. Have a short and sharp unboxing knife with you. Always cut not towards yourself. I should probably stop being like an ultimate example of bad behavior. All right. This is also the first time I'm getting this out of the box, so we're gonna find out if it got damaged in shipping. Box looked good. Amazon hopefully did a good job. And this is the snow edition, so we're going all white, all pretty. Already looking good. Oh, it has a handle. Nifty. Oh, there's the dust guard. You know, I gotta say, I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference so far between what we're currently using is a mid tower, and then this is a micro or a mini. Basically, it just cuts out the dead space that we currently have in our PC here, but still, you need all this space here for everything else. This is a little interesting. It's just magnetic and on top. Typically they, more often on the inside, and then they usually have little snaps in place. This is just totally magnetic. I'm not in love with it, but it's okay. Power button is on top. Luckily it takes a little bit of heft to push it. Reset button also, it's got quite an inset. I'm hoping this will fix my problem with my cats running across and pressing it. We're gonna gain one extra USB port, thank God, because I have like none. Front of the case, pretty plain looking. Just a solid white surface, no lighting or anything there. Nice. Now we'll just get fingerprints all over this. Now here's what I was most excited about this thing. That's it right there. You just open it up anytime you need to get in and do anything. Magnetic closure. So that's gonna make life easier. No more screws to lose, nothing. Oh, we got one more here. Boom. And then it comes with one fan. We've already got all our fans, so I'm probably just gonna pull this one out. It's got the wiring for the ports on the front. And then you got one fan spot on the bottom. This is gonna be just one more dust cover there. It's got rubber feet, rubberized feet on the bottom. And then the very back, you've got where your motherboard ports are gonna go, and you've got 4 slots here. Typically your video card will take up 2 of these slots, so you're not gonna have a lot of room for expansion in a case like this, but you're not really supposed to be looking for it. If you're getting a mini case, you're getting bare bones just what you need. So at this point, we're gonna tear everything out of the old one, put everything in here, make it look real pretty, get it all set up, and then get back at you with how the case looks and feels. Let's go set this thing up and put it all together. After many painstaking hours, everything's transferred over, everything's installed, wires are managed, it's looking really good. The case is an absolute beauty. I mean, you can pop this thing open anytime you need to get in there. We gained an extra USB port out of it on top here, a 3.0. It's hard to find anything that's not great about this case. $60. If I had to pick a couple things I don't like about it, this is just magnetic. That might get moved around, especially if you have a cat jumping on it or something. It's a little weird here on top. It's got spots for fans, but I mean, even if you had a fan here and a fan here, you still have all this open. You're not creating any sort of velocity airflow, you're just kind of moving the air. I think this will be plenty of airflow. I've never had a problem with it overheating. It looks great with all the lights inside of it. It's very straightforward. You don't have a lot of frills that some cases have with like vents that can open, fan controls or anything on the front. It's pretty basic, but it more than does the job at 60 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to do one of these for your next build. I'm super excited with how this looks. This is how this PC is going to stay until I build a new one. Let me know if you've ever had a case from Thermaltake. Yes, you had a case from Thermaltake, what you think of it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you in another reality.
I want to say the biggest thank you to those of you who have become channel members and any of you who have ever been patrons of ours. Gallium VR, Chris Deputy, Legacy VR, Bagel, and a Fissy King Sloth are current channel members. Our patrons, K27, Rocket Sauce 28, K Panda K, Fred Nebetebo, Ege Karatosh, Maddie's, Gallium VR, Orange VR, and Mr. Dodojo. Thank you so much, everyone, for supporting the channel.
Man, did I seem as tired as I felt? Because I'm tired.